If you want to start a PMKVY center, training center, first of all you have to tie up with the training partner. Like you can even tie up with the WIPS Foundation. Uh, you can contact us on 9999423606 for further details. Okay, in this video I'll tell you how to do the setup of a training center and what are the minimum requirements that you have to fulfill while setting up the new training center. Okay, now come to again to the point. Like if you are interested to open a new training center, you have to first of all tie up with the training partner. In the training center, you have to uh, keep few things in your mind, like the reception area should be approximately 50 to 100 square feet area. Counseling area should be approximately 50 to 100 square feet. Placement room should be 100 to 150 square feet. Library area should be approximately 100 to 150 square feet. IT lab area should be 200 to 300 square feet. Pantry area should be 30 to 50 square feet. There should be separate male and female washroom. The minimum area of the course or the job role or the classroom should be approximately 300 square feet. Job role lab area should be approximately minimum size is 300 square feet, and that's totally depending on the sector skill council. Now the document requirements are like you must have electricity bill, rent agreement if the training center is on rent, lease, internet bill, MOU of the training partner. Availability of tube light, fan, electrical wires, switchboard secure in all area in training center. Again I am repeating this, like if you want to open a training center, you can contact wipsfoundation.org. Now again, the availability of 2 trainers per job role and supporting staff mobilizer, MIS coordinator, administration officer, counselor, placement coordinator, receptionist. Availability of separate washroom facility for the male and female trainer. Availability of safe and clean drinking water facility. It may be RO water, water purifier, packaged drinking water dispenser, etc. There must be a dedicated housekeeping staff at each training center. There should be the availability of daily checklist, inspection card as maintained by the housekeeping staff. Dustbin should be placed in all classroom, laboratories and reception area. Availability of the first aid kit, firefighting equipment. First aid kit should contain below mentioned items like first aid box should be wall mounted at the training center as you can see in these photographs. Emergency telephone numbers for emergency medical services, sterile gauze pads in small and large squares to place over wounds, disinfectants like Dettol or Savlon, medicines like painkillers and antibiotics, rolled bandages to hold dressings in place, adhesive tapes, adhesive bandages in sorted sizes, scissors and tweezers and antiseptic wipes or soap thermometer. Firefighting equipment, at least one of the following equipment should be there into the training center, like it should be the water-based firefighting extinguisher, or it may be the foam-based fire extinguisher, dry powder-based extinguisher, carbon dioxide-based fire extinguisher, wet chemical-based fire extinguisher, or firefighting hosepipe type fire extinguisher. Contact number of fire brigade, hospital, ambulance and other emergency numbers should be well placed in classroom, laboratories and reception area. Fire safety instructions should be well displayed at key areas of the training center along with the fire extinguisher. It is mandatory for the training center to have an Aadhaar enabled biometric system, that is called AEBAS machine, to monitor attendance of all trainees. इवन आप जो है इस मशीन को लेने के बाद इंस्पेक्शन होने के बाद भी इसे आपको स्टार्ट करने के लिए अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 15 डेज और 1 मंथ का टाइम ड्यूरेशन मिलता है. सो लाइक यू हैव अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1 मंथ टाइम टू स्टार्ट दिस डिवाइस. Okay, now come to the point. At least one trainer of the training center has to be certified in entrepreneurship by NISBERT or any similar agency specified in the scheme. Trainers meets minimum educational qualification as well as minimum work experience as prescribed by the Sector Skill Council. All trainers certified by the Sector Skill Council, and approximately 32 to 36 Sector Skill Councils are working in this field. जो आप किसी भी ट्रेड से रिलेटेड अगर इंफॉर्मेशन रखते हैं तो आप इन सेक्टर स्किल काउंसिल्स की वेबसाइट पे जाकर भी इंफॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं. अदरवाइज यू कैन गो अहेड विद द PMKVY ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट, or you can go and check on vipsfoundation.org website. Now come to again point that laboratory is equipped with mandatory equipments as per the guidelines of Sector Skill Council. Availability of CCTV cameras in all the classroom, laboratories, counseling area, reception area. Availability of any type of projector in all the classrooms. Availability of air conditions in all the classroom. Availability of the internet connectivity at the training center, necessarily at the IT computer laboratory with a speed of minimum 1 Mbps and above. Availability of power backup facility in the form of UPS, inverter, genset, etc. to continue the operations at the training center. Availability of pantry and parking facility. Availability of IT computer laboratory for life skills, soft skills training. Availability of library. Availability of exhaust fan in all the classroom, laboratories, other areas. Availability of photocopies and printers in the institute. Availability of 8x4 Starflex light board and 20x5 banner in front of the training center. Even if you are interested to open the PMG Disha project, like if you are interested to open the computer center under NDLM project, you can contact us on vipsfoundation.org, or you can contact us 9999423606. Again I am coming to the point, अगर आप एक ट्रेनिंग सेंटर को ओपन करना चाह रहे हैं, ये जो भी मैंने अभी आपको गाइडलाइंस बताई हैं, ये सभी गाइडलाइंस एक मैंडेटरी हैं. और इसके अलावा जो भी आप सेक्टर स्किल काउंसिल का जॉब रोल लेते हैं, सपोजली आप एक जनरल ड्यूटी असिस्टेंट ले रहे हैं, चाहे आप हार्डवेयर नेटवर्किंग का ले रहे हैं, आपको सभी इक्विपमेंट्स को सेपरेटली, जो कि सपोजली अगर कोई क्रिम्पिंग टूल लिखा है उसका नंबर 5 लिखे हैं, तो दैट मीन्स यू मस्ट हैव अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 5 क्रिम्पिंग टूल, जो कि आपको इंस्पेक्शन के टाइम में होना चाहिए. तो आप एक एक इक्विपमेंट की जो मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट है उस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स की आपको फुलफ़िल करनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. और विप्स फाउंडेशन आपको हर कोर्स की हर इक्विपमेंट से रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करता है. आप किस तरह से अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2 to 3 लाख के बजट में एक अच्छा खासा ट्रेनिंग सेंटर सेटअप कर सकते हैं. और चाहे आप फैक्ट्री हो, चाहे आप एक इंस्टीट्यूशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो, चाहे आप एक रिटेल स्टोर हो, आप किसी भी बिजनेस से बिलोंग करते हो, अगर आपके पास एक स्किल है, यू कैन ओपन अ स्किल सेंटर. एंड VIPS Foundation provide facilities in whole India. So you can contact us on vipsfoundation.org if you are interested for PMKVY, if you are interested to open the PMKVY training center, or if you are interested to open PMG Disha project in your center.